We are Marta and Garrity, a Canadian couple who 1 year ago bought 2.5 acres of vacant land in northern Ontario in hopes to turn it into our dream cabin. As our own general contractors, we've been pushing to get the cabin move-in ready as we leave our city life behind. From excavation to foundation and framing, we managed to get dried in just in the nick of time before a long, hard winter. Hit subscribe to follow our journey and welcome to our channel. Good morning, everyone. So we're back up on the land. We have a lot of projects to do. We brought up another fun purchase that's going to make living up here great. Since there is only a handful of restaurants, we need to cook ourselves. And Garrity had a friend that had a really good hookup on one of these, so we'll show you what that is. We are headed to the dump. It is 7 degrees Celsius, so really warm, but so much snow had fallen, so now all this snow is evaporating and it's all melting, so the roads are pure ice pretty much. I'm sure tonight they'll freeze over even more, but just the fogginess is really cool. I'll show you. So you can see all the snow starting to evaporate because of the heat, and it's just super foggy, and all the trees smell so good. It's like that spring smell, so hopefully it doesn't snow too much more after this. Okay, so this is the next, it's really windy, but the purchase we made, which is a wood burning stove. So we're really excited. It's windy. We're gonna try to put it together, and I'm going back inside. Garrity's just putting it together.
So pretty much it's very straightforward. It already comes installed for you.
Yeah, you got the 2 legs. There's a leg there.
So I think these legs are supposed to be connected with that
plate.
Bottom plates.
And it has nice ceramic tile in there.
Apparently the pizza, once the fire is up to 600 Celsius, it takes about 90 seconds to make. So you got to keep rotating like around every 20-30 seconds,
yeah,
or else will burn.
And apparently you're supposed to put the wood on the side, not in the back, obviously.
Yeah.
And we're gonna keep this thing clean. We got a cover for it so it doesn't rust. It's pretty nice. So Garrity didn't read the instructions, and there's handles that go on the legs, and he had them all in the wrong spots. So my brother is switching them all while they hold up the thing.
So right now the oven is curing. It takes about 1 hour. Half hour to 1 hour, the manual says.
Yeah, and you have to use hardwood.
Yeah.
It's a little thick, but it looks good. We had some guys come to measure the railings for our stairs. They're going to be made probably by the end of this week, just powder coating. It takes about 2 to 3 weeks. So, I mean, still pretty quick. In a month, we'll have railings. I'm excited. I bought oak veneer treads because, yeah, this MDF thing isn't working out. I tried to fill it, and it's just uneven. It's just because the thing didn't go over, but I think these ones might be a little too thick, like they would stick out this much. So we're gonna test it when the framers come back. But I think it'll look nice with the veneer and then the metal black railings. So lots of progress, and my brother's here to finish the shower, which I'm very excited for. So my brother's been working on tiling the ceiling and installing our marble jambs and putting the penny tile in. It's looking nice. Okay, so Hayden's back and he is set up his saw, so we're cutting the baseboards and he's installing them now.
A pencil mark myself?
Yeah, or not even a pencil mark, but. Here's your hoping.
So the baseboards are going in nice. So we went from plus 10 degrees, everything melting, to 30 centimeters of snow today. It's kind of wacky, the weather, but it's still really pretty. All right, so I just finished painting another batch of baseboards, and now I need to knock off all the spacers in the shower behind me with a hammer. We'll see how it goes. My brother gave me a trick. He said to hit the spacers, so instead of downward, you hit them sideways. And I'm trying not to crack a tile. Success. Now 100 more to go. Okay, I've been battling this for a while. Some of these are, when they break, it's impossible to get them out, so I don't really know what I'm gonna do. There's the remnants. I still have the whole top to do before I can even begin to think about grouting. It's pretty late already. It's like 8 p.m. and I'm kind of tired, to be honest, but I want to get it done because there's more painting to do and more things to do tomorrow, so wish me luck. Okay, so I finally finished taking out all of those things, so it's ready for grout. I just cleaned everything. Don't ask what I did here. I stuck on whatever mesh. It looks like crap. Anyway, I have to do like 10 more layers to get it to look good. And there, we're gonna put marble here, just because there's such a big gap in between. I think it'll look really nice once that's finished. Anyway, tomorrow, wish me luck, grout day. All right, so now that actual work is done, I need to start working on the house. And I just realized I mixed some leftover grout, which I used for the floors originally, and it's called Rain, the color. And the new bags I got is called Frost. So I was gonna grout the entire shower because I wanted to start up there, but because I only have a little bit of the Rain left, which is the same color as the floor, I'll just grout the floor, which means then I can't step on it to do the walls. Anyway, it's fine. I'll just do the walls tomorrow, and I'll start with the floors and touch up some of the spots I messed up last time. Terrible grouting, but it comes off pretty easy. Anyway, I'm scared to start this because it just keeps dropping down. Okay, honestly, my whole shirt is dirty. I probably have it all over me. I think my liquid might be too loose and it's all dripping on me from the ceiling. The floor I have to redo. My arms are short. I really don't like doing this. But I'm so close to being done that I don't want to give up at this point. Oh, it literally is just flying at me. Yes, I know this is the worst grouting job ever, but it is what it is. Okay, I Literally my whole shirt is in grout because it kept falling on my head as you saw, but it's almost done. I'm just cleaning the ceiling now. It's drying really fast and I'm struggling, but I think it's looking nice and there's no holes. So I did it the hard way for sure, but I did it. So I'm proud of myself. Anyway, I'm tired. It's almost 10 o'clock. I'm gonna finish this and probably wash my hair in the utility sink since I have grout everywhere. I feel like I'm pulling all-nighters here. It's almost 11 p.m. I attempted this drywall patch here. There's gonna be a marble that goes here, but I need to seam this up, so I'm gonna do a second coat. I just sanded, and I'm just learning all the trades at this point. It's coming out. I'm doing it unconventionally, but it's fine. Just wash my hair out of all that grout in the utility sink. That works for me. Huh? Yay!
Yeah.
I feel like I've been doing a horrible job recording the progress that's been happening this week. I've been pretty busy with work. I'm grouting again, but so we're not installing a closet door, so he's framed out this entire thing and it looks really great. And then he's framed out the little closets as well, and they're gonna build us some custom doors for there. But it's looking nice. Our closet's gonna go here, and then my little office nook is here. So it's starting to come together. So I stained all those yesterday, and they're basically going to be like a little quarter slat wall where it's unpainted there. I'm gonna paint that black. So it'll be a reveal. We'll put a little bench, a mirror, and then I think that'll be a nice feature. But I need help because they're too long and I need it cut, and I'm not attempting that. I think the shower grouting after a lot of cleaning came out really nice. So it's almost there. We just got to install the hardware and then add those marble trims. And I repatched some of these walls, as you can see. So I need to prime and paint yet again. I feel like the painting and priming is going to be every episode until the end of this build, because these walls keep scuffing and I keep patching a lot of spotting. So it is what it is. So after finally building this PAX wardrobe system, which I thought was gonna fit in here, it's too wide and it hit the ceiling. So no shelving in there, I guess just this little one, and then I'll hang the racks and we'll have to figure it out from there. Yeah, we'll probably put that in like the mechanical room or something, but it's such a shame. And I don't like it there because it'll block the window view and it's kind of bulky. So anyway, it is what it is. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed as we built our pizza oven. I grouted the shower and our shower's finally almost complete. And odds and ends with trim work. So stay tuned for the next episode. Probably a lot more mishmash of things that we need to finish, but we're getting there. I'm pretty proud of myself. I painted and sanded baseboards. I put together that IKEA closet that doesn't fit in our closet, but that's okay. I grouted our entire shower, and I drywall patched a bunch of things. So I'm learning new skills. I'm very slow at them and end up cursing quite a bit, but it's okay. It's all a learning experience, but I am getting a little bit burnt out and tired, so it's time to refuel for at least 2 days and then come right back to the work. So anyways, thanks again for watching. Stan is real sad to leave because he loves it up here. He just buries his body in the snow and runs around, but yeah. Anyway, see you on the next week's episode.